Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be reviewing Puchao's gummy soft candy in the cola flavor. Let's give this bad boy a try. Okay, just like a typical individual wrap lolly with a silver wrapping. Let's see if it looks like in the packaging. No, not really. Instead of like any dotted bits of cola on it, what I'm getting just like a flat shades of brown and white cream looking flavor on it. Okay, let's give this one a try. Okay, it tastes similar to like one of those sour Coke bottles, lows where you can get from the lolly shop. Kind of tastes a bit weird when you just have like a milk flavor to it altogether, but yeah, it's not so soft. It's kind of hard to chew. Yeah, well, if you don't mind the hardness of this lolly, just to chew on, yeah, you could try it for yourself if you like this sort of flavor or not, but somehow I don't like this flavor. It's kind of disappointing. Not like cola.